So, your dream renovation has turned into a nightmare, and you're thinking, unfortunately, a lawsuit might be the only way out. Before you rush to court, you'll need evidence. Documenting everything is crucial. But how? Start by taking photos and videos of the problem areas, cracked tiles, unfinished drywall, or those crooked cabinets. Your smartphone is your friend here, capturing the dates you took the photos. While you may be tempted to hire a replacement contractor right away, don't. You need to give the contractor and his or her lawyer time to examine what you allege went wrong. You should also keep a detailed log. Every time something goes wrong, write it down. Include dates, what was said, and who was involved. Keep text messages and emails. If you've got emails where the contractor promises to fix things but never follows through, that's great. If you have questions about what your contractor is doing, contact Grolman LLP. Got questions? Contact Grolman LLP. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on protecting your assets. Thanks for watching.